Hello, my name is Austin Amento. I want to talk to you today about Sonar Ally. This is essentially a AI-powered accessibility remediation platform built to help teams move from finding accessibility problems to actually fixing them. Scans websites or PDFs, identifies accessibility issues, and turns those findings into clear, actionable remediation guidance. That's the big thing. So essentially, accessibility tools are great at surfacing these violations, but they usually stop at technical error output. You still have to interpret what that output means, understand which of the element is actually broken, and decide what to change. I do a lot of Drupal engineering, a lot in government space, so this is something I see all the time, and I just feel like so many of these tools stop short, and I have to do a lot of different things to figure out what I need to actually fix. For the actual application, we got a Node.js app with Playwright and Axe Core. Playwright's going to load the live web page in a real browser, scan it, and Axe scans it for the WCAG issues, and the scanner captures that node, the selector, the raw HTML, and visual context. It then kind of provides that information to our remediation engine, which is built in Python using Fast API and LangGraph. And this is where DigitalOcean Gradient comes into play, and it's central to the project. Gradient is the inference layer that powers the remediation workflow. Different findings are routed through different paths, including like coder style HTML remediations and PDF accessibility reviews. So let's see here. The PDF scan's not quite optimized yet. I'll do a different scan here, but you can kind of see here it's actually telling you, what the page is, what the things are, and actually what you need to do to fix it. But you need a title. Here's an example of a title and language, right? Stuff like that to actually get you actionable feedback, super quick to actually make these changes, right? So I like the web stuff more. Here, the web's pretty optimized. Should only take a few seconds to kind of return a new scan here. And we'll kind of go from there. But essentially, combining AI accessibility scanning and AI remediation, digital gradient with the inference, all into one workflow to really help you go from an audit output to implementation ready fixes. So here you can see it's already finished. And, this ARIA uses an attribute label. It's not allowed here. You got to remove it from that element. So you just go find that element, remove it, right? Down here we've got some more things where it's like, this element has a clickable container with that contains another clickable controller. So here it's actually going to give us a full suggested value. So it just took that same element, gave me it with the fix by removing the extra element. So it's kind of nice to actually get the fix that you need. Let's see here. Here you can see it's returning all the different lists of that case study, which is like a container with multiple children clearly. But yeah, you can kind of see here too the different errors with the JSON, right? The raw JSON is actually how it's coming back from the gradient layer. But yeah, I'm super excited to have worked on this project. It was really fun to spin up an AI agent super quickly. Setting up a knowledge base, having it crawl the web to get all the specific WCAG compliance information and all that PDF knowledge as my knowledge base for my AI agent, and then just utilizing this different tools to kind of create hopefully a tool that's a little bit more helpful than a lot of other things that are on the market where you can actually get actionable feedback. Right here it's like setting the color to say keep underline styling, which is just really important stuff because I'm tired of having to do a lot of the research and figuring out what issue pertains to my specific problem, and this kind of solves a lot of those issues. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, have fun.